We all love crypto, but we don't necessarily love transacting with it, right? I mean, typically, if you ever want to spend your crypto anywhere, you first have to sell it on your app, then you have to withdraw it to your bank, and then you ultimately have to wait a couple of business days before the transfer actually clears. So if you're tired of not being able to easily access your crypto, then the Crypto.com Visa debit card is definitely one worth looking at. And today we're going to be breaking down just that, the Crypto.com Visa Metal Debit Card, how the card works, all its perks, and ultimately help you decide, is this card worth it for the everyday crypto user? Now, if you're not familiar with Crypto.com, it's actually a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency, earn interest on your crypto holdings, and even allows you to earn cash back in the form of crypto when transacting with their Metal Visa debit card. Now, in this video specifically, guys, we are going to be breaking down their Visa debit cards, which really do help you to maximize your crypto rewards on your everyday purchases. So that's definitely a unique feature with this card, and we'll be getting to that in this video. Now, if after the video you want to learn more about the other crypto features on the Crypto.com mobile app, I'll be sure to link down my full video review of Crypto.com down below in the video description. And also, if at any point you want to jump ahead or jump back to any part of today's video, you can find the timestamps down below in the description as well. And of course, for more free crypto and sign-up bonuses, be sure to visit my website at investingapps.com. So for starters, what exactly is the Crypto.com Visa debit card? Well, they actually have a 5-tier system ranging from a completely free card, earning you 1% cash back on all your purchases, all the way up to a premium Obsidian card that earns you a crazy 8% cash back on all your purchases, along with quite a few other impressive perks. And while anyone can get started with their free tier debit card, you begin to work up the tiers by staking Crypto.com's native cryptocurrency called CRO. And if you're unfamiliar with staking, guys, staking is basically a way for you to earn interest on your crypto holdings while having them locked away for a certain duration of time. And I know what you might be thinking. Hey Eric, why would I want to lock away my crypto holdings on a platform for a certain period of time? What's the point of that? And I would say this. If you simply want to trade crypto in the short term, then staking probably is not ideal for you. But if you're more of a long-term investor like myself, then staking crypto can actually make a lot of sense. For one, if you're going to be holding your crypto for the long term anyway, why not earn interest on it, right? Why not take advantage of that? Because through staking, you're actually able to earn interest on your crypto holdings that would otherwise be earning you nothing. And secondly, guys, staking your long-term crypto holdings can actually help you avoid the day-to-day crypto volatility in the cryptocurrency market and instead focus on investing for the long term. So those are 2 reasons you might want to consider staking your cryptocurrency. So right now, I just want to give you a quick unboxing of the actual Crypto.com Visa debit card, how it arrived in the mail, and when you can expect it. So when I first signed up on the Crypto.com app and began staking for one of their metal Visa cards, this actually only took about a week before it arrived in my mail, I'd say. Yeah, maybe about a week. And it came in this really nice packaging here. So I just want to show you guys, when you open it up, it does come with a little welcome letter, which you can read. And it also includes this really nice packaging right here, which when you open it is pretty cool because bam, there comes your new Crypto.com Visa debit card. Check that out in all its glory. I gotta say, guys, it's a pretty premium feeling card. It's definitely metal, no lie there. Has some nice thickness to it. Also that nice metal shine, so it's definitely a nice looking card to add to your collection if you like to collect debit cards. I guess I'm a nerd. All right, I know what you're thinking. Enough with the card. Let's get to actually talking about what you actually care about, which is earning cash back on the card, right? And definitely one of the unique aspects of earning cash back on this card is the simple fact that the cash back you earn is in the form of cryptocurrency, right? So they provide you cash back in the form of CRO, which again is their native cryptocurrency to the app. And once you earn CRO, you can really do a couple of different things with it depending on your preference. So for instance, CRO can be converted into another cryptocurrency of your choice like Bitcoin. It can also be converted into a stable coin like USD coin to really retain its value. CRO can also be sold and you can withdraw the money to your bank. CRO can even be used to top up, again, your metal Visa card. CRO can also be traded just like every other cryptocurrency on the market, and it can even be used for staking to earn even more interest on your crypto holdings. So definitely a lot of versatility when it comes to earning CRO cash back with the card. Now I will say that when it comes to receiving cash back in the form of cryptocurrency like you do with this card, it's a very different experience from the typical US dollar cash back you earn with your typical debit card from, say, your local bank. On the plus side, you really could be receiving cash back in a potentially growing asset because the value of CRO, just like all cryptocurrencies, can increase over time. But on the other hand, guys, when earning cash back in the form of crypto, the value of your cash back can also decrease in time as the value of CRO decreases, just like all cryptocurrencies can also decrease in value over time. So it's definitely something to keep in mind there is a difference with this type of cash back. And because of this reason, this is why you may want to consider converting your CRO Coin rewards to, say, cash or to a stable coin like USD Coin if you're really worried about volatility. Just something to keep in mind, like I said, guys. Now, it's no secret that one of the biggest gripes with blockchain technology today is that many merchants, both online and out in the real world, they simply don't accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment yet, right? And while I do believe that we are going to get there one day, we're definitely not there yet. And that's definitely where the Crypto.com Visa debit card comes into play. Because by the Crypto.com app issuing their own Visa debit card, it really does allow you to top up the card with your own cryptocurrency straight from the app, which really does give you much more convenient and smoother access to your funds to be able to spend on your everyday purchases, goods and services, or simply being able to cash out your funds at ATM, right? And since most merchants still don't accept crypto as a form of payment, Crypto.com makes this easy by allowing you to top up the card right from the app itself. So it definitely takes out the middleman. Because once you load up your card, the app then converts your coins to USD or your country's local fiat. Basically, this gives you instant access to spending your crypto in most places where Visa is accepted. But again, guys, the benefits of the Crypto.com Visa card don't end there. Because Crypto.com offers users a wide range of card tiers to choose from. Like I said, there are 5 tiers to choose from, each with rising level of rewards. Now, to get your hands on one of these metal Visa cards, you first have to begin by staking the required amount of CRO coin for that card tier. Essentially, the more CRO that you stake, the higher card tier you can apply for, as well as the higher reward level you'll receive as well. For me personally, guys, I've begun by staking the Ruby Still card right here, which is this nice red finish one, because it only requires staking $400 worth of CRO. And keep in mind that cashback isn't the only perk you get from staking for one of their Visa debit cards. You'll also earn weekly interest on those staked holdings through their Crypto Earn program. And while you can stake cryptocurrency on the app for as little as 1 day through their Crypto Earn program, when it comes to actually staking for one of their cards, you will have to stake the CRO coin for at least 180 days. And while that does sound like a long time, do keep in mind, guys, that the card doesn't actually cost you anything because your staked CRO is unlocked completely after those 6 months. You essentially get your full deposit back and do with it what you wish, and all while earning interest along the way. So again, if you're a long-term crypto investor, this is a great way to earn interest on your otherwise stagnant holdings. So let's take a second now to dive a little deeper into the actual cashback rates you can earn from their debit card. Because while you may be able to earn higher levels of cashback from credit cards, specifically cashback credit cards, as far as debit cards goes, it's going to be pretty difficult to find another debit card that can offer better cashback rates than Crypto.com's Visa debit cards. So here we are now on the actual web page for Crypto.com, showing the different card tiers. I'm going to walk through them with you guys real quick here. As you can see, the Midnight Blue is actually their starter level card. That one is completely free, requires no amount to begin staking. That one earns you 1% cash back in CRO rewards on all your purchases with the card. Next, you have the Ruby Still card, which is the card that I currently have right now. That one earns you 2% cash back on all your purchases, again, in the form of CRO. This one does require staking $400, as you can see. Third up, we have the Royal Indigo and Jade Green right here, guys. This one earns you 3% cash back on all your purchases. This one does require a $4,000 staked amount. And fourth up, guys, we have the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White. So now we're starting to get up to their really higher tier cards, because this one requires a $40,000 staked requirement, but it does earn you 5% cash back on all your purchases. And lastly, we have the most premium card, the Obsidian card, which is for you big ballers out there, which does require $400,000 of CRO staked for 6 months, earning you a crazy 8% cash back. Keep in mind, guys, with any of these different card tiers, you get your full deposit back after those 6 months, and you just earn all this interest along the way with their Crypto Earn program, in addition to these high levels of cash back on your everyday purchases. So again, if you're a short-term crypto trader, staking for 6 months probably isn't for you. If you're a long-term crypto investor, you may want to consider one of these different card tiers. In addition to the cash back you can earn with their Crypto.com debit cards, you can also get some insane perks as well. So as you can see, starting with the Ruby Still card, Spotify is 100% covered. Basically, the way this works is they don't actually pay for your Spotify. They essentially reimburse you in the form of CRO coin to your account, the equivalent value of a monthly Spotify membership. So essentially, you get Spotify 100% free when you're a holder of the Ruby Still debit card. But check this out, if you're a holder of the next level up, the Royal Indigo and Jade Green, you get Spotify covered for free and you get Netflix covered for free, again, in the form of receiving the equivalent amount of CRO Coin that would cover the monthly cost. So basically it's covered. If you go up to the fourth card level, you get Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, as well as 10% cashback on your Expedia, trips, all card benefits with that 4th tier card level. And of course, the 5th tier card level, you get all of that. Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, you get discounts on Expedia and Airbnb, as well as other benefits like airport lounge access as well, and many other different perks as well, private jet partnership, things like that. So I'm not up there yet, guys. I'm barely at the Ruby Steel card, which is their 2nd card tier level. But I just want to show you that there are several different perks you can get. In addition to the cashback, earning interest, you can also get services like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime covered as well. Now, if you're like me and you're starting off with one of the lower card tiers like the Ruby Steel card, the neat thing is you can always start with one of their lower card tiers and upgrade to higher tiers as time goes on. The only caveat with that to consider is that when you do choose to upgrade to a higher card tier, it does reset your staking term. Another handy feature for US users is that when you first sign up to any one of their cards, you actually immediately gain access to a virtual card in the app before your physical card is delivered. This way you don't have to wait for your card to actually arrive in the mail in order for you to start using it online for online purchases and start earning cashback rewards. And of course, once your card does arrive in the mail and you activate it, you're then eligible to immediately earn anywhere from 1% to 8% cash back in most places where Visa is accepted. For example, with their Ruby Steel debit card, which is the one I have, for every $1 you spend on your everyday purchases, you will earn 2 cents back in the form of CRO Coin. And the next one for the Jade Green card, for every $1 you'll spend, you'll earn 3 cents cash back in the form of CRO Coin. For you big time card holders with the Obsidian card, for every $1 you spend, you would earn 8 cents back in the form of CRO Coin, which is just pretty insane. But again, that is a different card tier to consider. Now, most importantly, regardless of whichever card you have, whenever you make a purchase with your card, the cashback will always be allocated to you in the form of their native cryptocurrency, CRO Coin, and it will always be credited directly to your app. And once you've received that cashback, you can then do a couple things like I mentioned earlier. You can always swap out your CRO rewards for another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. You can sell them for fiat, or you could even stake them to work towards a higher card tier and earn even more rewards. So you definitely have a lot of options with your cashback. And speaking of rewards, like we mentioned previously, as you begin to work your way up the different card tiers, it's not only the cash back that goes up and increases, but you also get access to more perks, like them covering your monthly expenses of services like Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, things like that. And when it comes to the card's integration with the app itself, it's a pretty seamless connection because you can easily manage your card directly from the app. This includes things like tracking your spending, as well as receiving your cashback rewards. Overall, guys, I will say that the Crypto.com Visa card might just be the best feature of the Crypto.com app because it really does give you more purchasing power with your crypto and the ability to earn higher crypto rewards from your crypto as well. Now, if you would like to try out the Crypto.com app for yourself, you can get a $25 sign-up bonus by joining through my special referral link below this video. Because when you sign up using my special code EVERYDAY, you'll actually get $25 in free CRO deposited straight into your Crypto.com app when you sign up and begin staking at least $400 for the Ruby Steel debit card, which again is this cool card right here. So definitely take advantage of that if you're looking to sign up for the app. Again, guys, keep in mind that the cashback isn't the only perk you get from staking for one of their Visa debit cards. You'll also earn weekly interest on your staked holdings, again, through their Crypto Earn program. So it's really like double benefits off of this card. Plus, don't forget when you first sign up, guys, there are no fees to buy or sell crypto when you buy with a debit or credit card for the first 30 days. So if you're looking to buy with a card, you're looking to buy crypto with a card, definitely take advantage of that first 30-day period when you first sign up to the app. If you enjoyed the Crypto.com app and would like to explore some of the other crypto features the app has to offer, definitely be sure to check out my other Crypto.com tutorial videos right up here. And of course, if you want to see how Crypto.com compares to other cryptocurrency apps today, definitely be sure to check out my other cryptocurrency app reviews right down there. For more investing app reviews, tutorials, and comparisons, definitely be sure to check out the other videos on the channel, and I look forward to seeing you there.